Bedtime stories. The Bird and the Squirrel. A short story. One day, a beautiful bird came in the jungle looking for the food. The bird looked around and saw there mangoes on a mango tree. These were ripe mangoes. A squirrel was eating those mangoes. The bird came near the squirrel. The squirrel became afraid of the bird and went aside of tree. The bird started eating those mangoes. The bird saw the squirrel was looking sad. The bird said to the squirrel, "Come, squirrel, let's eat mangoes together." Squirrel was very happy. They both began to start to eat mangoes happily. Moral of the story: share everything equally with other is the best way of life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.